Good morning, students. So far, if I talk about tense, so we have studied about three tenses: present simple, past simple, past continuous tense. In present simple tense, we studied about the first form of the verb where we add s or es according to subject. That is the present simple tense. We use first form for plural subject and we use he, she, it, s or es in the first form with he, she and it. Next one is here past simple tense we studied, and in past simple tense we studied the second form of the verb. For making it negative we use did not plus first form. If I talk about past continuous tense, so I told you that for past continuous tense we use was, were according to subject. With singular subject was, with plural subject we use were, plus ing form of the verb. Ing form of the verb is used with past continuous tense. Now next one is past perfect tense. See that past perfect tense is not used alone. It is never used with had plus V3 alone. There is a conditions of using this past perfect tense. Students are very much confused in past perfect tense, and very frequently wherever past is there they use had plus V3. But had plus V3 is not used alone. It is used with a follow-up sentence. So here I am telling it that how it is used. Past perfect is used to show two actions. One action which happens first and second action which happens later. It means two actions are happening together. One is completed first and one is after that. So the first one which is completed we use had plus V3, and the second one which is completed then we use second form of the verb. Take an example here. I had switched off the light before the power went off. So two actions are happening. One, that switching off the light and going off the light. Which one happened first? I switched off first or light went first? So here it is said that I had switched off the light before the power went off. Means before the power went off, it means my action was first of switching off the light and then power went. So first action happened switching off, and second was, that is second action which is happening here. Yes, see that here in this example, first action switch off the light and second went off light, means power goes off. So first which is happening, first one, that is known as prior action, and the second one which is happening last, it is known as later action. For prior action we use present perfect tense, and for later action we use past simple tense. Sorry, here mistake is there. I said present perfect tense, not present past perfect tense. It means had plus V3, and for second action we use past simple tense. It means second form of the verb. So combination is had plus V3 plus V2. Had plus V3 and plus V2 combination is there of this one. Now you see the second example. Here is the second example. Yes, second example is here. When we reached the station, the train had already left. Reached the station. When we reached the station, the train had already left. So which action took place first? Train had already left. So that's why it has been written had plus V3. And second action was there, that we reached at the station. So that's why it is only second form of the verb. Had plus V3 and second form of the verb, that is the combination. It can be in the first clause or the second clause. But point is here that we use had plus V3 with the action which happens first, and second form with the action which happens later. Now next point, you see that one here. See, this I'm talking about the past perfect tense. In past perfect tense, signal words are here when, while, before, after, then. Such kind of signal words will be used in past perfect tense. Here are 6 sentences which you have to practice, like I had left the home before it started raining. So this is the second form, and here is the first action which is happening, means rain started later and I left the home first. Next example, you see here, negative one, I hadn't left the home. For question, had we, bring forward, hadn't we. Then for WH question, you can use why, what, when, where, such kind of words you can use that one. Now come to the next one. Here are some the same combination I'm going to explain. Remember this one, had is never used alone, it is always used with the second form of the verb. It means one sentence will be with had plus third form and one will be second form of the verb. Here, that you have to keep in mind. For prior action we use perfect tense, and for later action we use past simple tense. Here are examples. You can see that there are 2 colors, one is in red and one is in blue. These are 2 actions which are happening in one sentence. So for red one, that is the perfect tense, and blue one, which is the past simple tense. You see, the thieves had run away before the police arrived. So which action happened first? Thief ran away and then police arrived. Second example, you see that the phone had gone off before I charged my mobile battery. So which action took first? That mobile got off. After that, the person charged the mobile. Next one, third example, you see, the dog had bitten him before he ran away. It means he could not run away. Before that, what happened? The dog bitten him. After that, he ran away. So here 2 actions are happening. That first, that dog bit him, and then second one. So here the dog had bitten him before he ran away. So here you can see that in third example, the action is happening of biting of dog. Next one, he had disconnected the call before I said something or before I said anything. So here the action which took first is had disconnected. That's why it is perfect tense. Rabi had cut the tree before I reached there to stop him. So first action was of cutting the tree and then I reached there. So this way we use past perfect tense in the combination of past simple and past perfect. Here examples are given here which you have to do. This one exercise first. You see that fill in the gaps with the words given in bracket. You have to use the correct form of the word where you have to use second. See that how you are going to use you have to identify that which action is happening first, starting or getting. If it is happening first, so you have to use had and plus V3, and if it is happening later, then you have to use second form. So here 2 options are there, either it will be had plus V3 or only second form. So which one will be had plus V3 and which one will be second form, you have to do this one in fair copy. Next example is also the same way. Here are also 10 questions. This one you see that 7th one first, sorry, exercise 2. Something is going wrong. Yes, here fill in the past or past perfect. You have to choose that which one is the correct one. The same like first one, it was last option is given at the last. Here options are given at the same place. Verb you know, only you have to use had or second form. Where you have to use had and then you have to use second form. Again you have to identify that which action took place first. So there are 7 questions here, and in the next page there are 2 questions here. 3, 8, 9, 10. I hope you have understood. If you have not understood, write your query in the time given for asking question. Thank you. Have a nice day.